Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have all the minifigures from Series 20. There are 16 of them, and typically I show myself opening them, show you the bump codes and all that, but they did get rid of the bump codes, so I will just go through and show you what each figure looks like and what pieces to feel for. So this is the first one. Has this little clear piece to make it look like she's in the air. Has a little boom box here, or a little radio, so that is what I felt for this particular character. And this one's pretty cool. So I did find all of these at Target. I found them all at the first day except for the Peapod guy. So that's why I opened all these already, because it took me probably like a full month to be able to find them. Target never restocked them, so I did have to go to the LEGO store. Here's the next one, little scuba diver. This one's really cool. And it does have a turtle, so you can feel for that pieces, or the flippers. They do have like little ridges there. And the little plant. So that one's really neat. I'll actually skip to the Peapod person. So this one was really hard to find. I don't think there's many in a box, but it's very easy to feel for because this is all one piece. And it's rather large, so that's easy to find. Two different faces on that one. And she has a salad on her shirt, which is kind of weird. And she's holding an apple. But yeah, so I did go to the LEGO store, and since we're in the middle of a pandemic, the LEGO store was opened. However, they don't let you feel the bags. But I told them I only need one, and I need the Peapod person, and they were able to find it for me. A lot of times they'll go through and label them, so when you come in looking for one, they can just hand it to you. So they're very helpful there. Here's the next one, little Viking person, orange beard. So that beard piece is separate. You can also feel for this. It does have a rubber tip, and aside from a couple other people that do have weapons, they're all different. So this one is very easy, noticeable. You can also feel for the shield. So this one, it's like a little, it's a girl, but it's like a swashbuckler, I think is how you say it. Maybe I'm butchering that, but there's a feather you can feel for, and a short sword. And I felt all these by myself, they were pretty easy. I just pick out like the easiest weapon or accessory. And again, this one has a feather too, so you don't want to confuse it, but the swords are different. One is straight and it's longer, and this one has a little handle on it and it's shorter. Also, this one has a shield, other one doesn't. So lots of different things you could look for. And I feel like if you watch videos like this, you can see what all comes in the bags or come with that minifigure. It makes it a lot easier once you get to the store. It's really not that difficult. There was a lot of these NASA one. Lots and lots. So this is a girl with a little space hat on. Some detailing. She has like Saturn on her pants and a star and a heart. A little wrench. And this is all separate pieces, so you can all feel for those. There's a lot of those in a box, so that should be easy to find if you're looking for that one. There's only a couple of the llama, but this is all one piece. So it's easy to feel for. You can feel the ears. It doesn't have any give to it. It's not rubbery. The carrot is, let me take it out of the hand real quick. Two different pieces. So sometimes that's deceiving too. You got to know how many pieces they're in. She has two different faces, and I like the zipper detailing on the back. It's pretty cool. And then we also have another brick person. Got a couple of those in the past, so this one's green, and it says 10 on it. Those are pretty awesome. Here's another, someone with a sword, but this one, it's very curvy and has like a slight bend to it. But you can feel this through the bag. You can feel the little ridges. Kind of looks like a Power Ranger. I don't care for a lot of the ones like this. Mine are like My favorite ones are like ones that come with animals or accessories or in costumes, because I think those are really fun. So this sombrero, very easy to feel for, also comes with a stick, just a short stick, nothing on it. Short legs as well, sometimes that's easy to feel for, and then you could always try to feel for the piñata. And here's a guy with a drone. There's a couple different pieces hooked onto that one. This little plain round one. So a couple different things to feel for. This one has nunchucks. This is all one piece, and this is very easy to feel for through the bag. Little karate guy. There's nothing else with that one, so it's a good giveaway. Little girl with a bunny, so she has short legs. The bunny's all one piece, easy to feel for. Not too good feeling like the hair pieces. I always go for the accessories. So here's another one that has a stick, though this one doesn't bend, whereas this one is a little rubbery at the top. They are about the same size though. But for her, I would feel for this disc, or even her metal. Totally just toss that across the room. But her metal comes off, and it's kind of at a 90-degree angle. So those are some things you can look for. And she does have two faces, an angry one and a happy face. And the last one, she just has this little electric keyboard guitar thingy. So that is very unique feeling through the bag, easy to feel for. It has a little tour jacket on. So very cool. So next time that there's a new series out, I'll do business as usual. I'll show you opening, I'll show me opening the bags and show you what to look for so you can see everything that comes in a bag. I only did it this way because it took so long to find them, so I apologize for that, but please subscribe to my channel for more LEGO videos. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.